you like to learn to bake delicious fresh bread at home? I'm Rhiannon from the Epsom Bakehouse. Whether you'd like to bake bread but you just don't know where to start, or you'd like to build on existing skills, join me for an online bread making class. Bread making isn't scary. You'll see that when you bake along with me. I've got lots of tips and tricks to help you bake fantastic bread at home, and I can't wait to share them with you. We'll have plenty of time to ask questions in class, and if you miss a bit, you can catch up on the recording. You can learn to bake a whole range of breads, from crusty baguettes to sweet cinnamon rolls, ciabatta, beautiful sourdough breads, and much more. There's no better sight or smell than the moment you pull your freshly baked loaf from the oven, ready to wow friends and family. Come and join an online class and let's start baking some great bread together.